Hi, today we will introduce you to an exciting feature of our app's Global Styles. This powerful feature allows you to transform the look of your store with just a few clicks. So let's get started. First off, go to Library and select the Global Style tab. Here, you'll find a lot of styles out there, which are inspired by popular free themes like Dawn, Crave, and Scents. But today, we will explore the Crave and Dawn styles. Click on all of them and hit Install to get started. On the theme editor, click on Theme Style tab to select the style you've just installed. And here, you use the Crave style in your store. This style brings its own background, font, and button color, giving your store a fresh and new look. Now we can change the Dawn style to see the difference from the earlier style. Both of them look great, right? If you want to go even further and customize specific elements like icons, card appearance, product badges, and more, you can do it right now in the theme settings. So, I think it's time to change your Shopify store to a unique look with our app.